We're going to talk about making teams on Microsoft Teams. But first, click on Apps and search Zoom. Click on this icon. If you haven't already connected your Zoom to Microsoft Teams, it will have you log in right here. Once you've done that, the Zoom icon will appear at the bottom each time you're typing in a chat message to any of your teams. Now let's go to Teams. So to make a new team, you would click Join or Create Team, that button. You would click Create Team, and then you would choose a team type. Today we're going to be talking about making teams for your classes. So after you've done that, go ahead and click on your team that you just made. From here you could add members by clicking the dots here and clicking Add Member. You can add students or teachers. You just type in their email and their names will pop up. You can always do this later as well. Now for the general channel, you could go ahead and click Manage Channel and go to Channel Settings. Now in the general channel, you can choose either anyone can post with alerts, or only owners can post the messages. I would click that for the general channel and then make other channels if you want the students to post. If you want to make another channel, you click right here, click Add Channel. And let's just call this one Team 1. So description, you just say this team is for students to collaborate. And you can either choose standard or private. Standard means that it's accessible to anybody on this team, or you can choose private. It's accessible only to a specific group of people within the team. And then you click Next. You can add students from here or skip it for now. Now maybe you want to change the permissions for these students in this team, so you could go to Manage Channel. Go Settings, and then you can go Member Permissions. You can click any of these three boxes here to change the permissions. Now let's make another one. We'll call this Class Discussion. And then let's just set this as standard. You can also click this box to automatically show this channel in everyone's channel list. And then from here again, you can manage the channel. For channel settings, there's a lot of permissions you could choose from here. There's channel moderation, you could turn it on or off. You could have anyone being able to post or just the team owners. Now if you want to delete the channel, you just click right here, click delete this channel. It says that you can still access it here. So if you delete it and you want to recover it, you just go right here at the top of the team, go to Manage Team, and then click Channels, and then you see that it says deleted. You could restore that. Now if you want to generate a code to give to the students, you could go to Settings, click on Team Code, and it'll have you generate a code right here. You could copy it. If you would rather give them a link or link it to a button on Canvas, you could click right here, go to Get Link to Team, and you would just copy this and link it to whatever you want to give it to, like on Canvas or on a PDF file or anything like that. And that's about all I have for making teams on Microsoft Teams. Let me know if you have other questions or if you find anything else that is useful on here.